In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple calendars in ClickUp. If you're coordinating work across different teams or projects, having separate calendars for each area makes planning clearer and keeps your schedule tidy. Let's walk through it together step by step in a way that you can repeat for any part of your workspace. Start on the ClickUp home area, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This gives you a central place to navigate from. From there, open Spaces. Spaces are the highest level of organization for your work, and they're perfect for separating calendars by team, department, or project. Choose the space you want to manage. I'll use a design space as an example, but you can pick any space that matches your workflow. Once you're inside that space, look for the View options. Views let you look at the same tasks through different lenses: list, board, and in our case, calendar. Select Calendar. This creates a calendar view inside that space that will display tasks with dates. To keep things organized, give your calendar a clear, specific name. For example, name it Design Calendar. Consistent naming helps when you're managing multiple calendars across your account, so consider using a format like Team Name plus Calendar or Project Name plus Calendar. With the calendar created, you can fine-tune what shows up using filters. Filters are essential for keeping a busy calendar focused. Narrow what you see by status to show only active or in-progress tasks, by tags to group related initiatives, by due date to focus on a particular time frame, and by assignee to see workload for specific people. Combining filters is especially powerful. For instance, filter by the design tag and in progress status if you only want to track work currently being produced, or filter by assignee to quickly review a single person's commitments. These filters help you manage multiple calendars without clutter because each calendar can represent one space and still be tailored to your needs. If you're working with several teams, repeat this exact process in each space and name each calendar clearly. That way, switching between calendars gives you a clean view of just that team's tasks, while filters let you drill down even further when you need to. That's it. You've created a focused calendar view inside a space, named it for clarity, and used filters to keep it actionable. Follow the same flow for your other spaces, and you'll have a simple, scalable system for managing multiple calendars in ClickUp.